It is time you arise. Don't you know you are royalty? Don't you know how much he careth for thee? Keep moving, keep moving.
Hey, my spectacular ones. Welcome to our Walk With Me channel. I am Angela Baker Ward, First Lady of a fabulous church, life and financial coach, wife, mother, and author of my best-selling book, Teach Me What Mama Didn't Know, a fellow earthling. And I am excited to see you've checked in for today's Walk With Me journey. The purpose of this channel is for us to walk spiritually through the Bible, chapter by chapter, day by day, while at the same time exercising our bodies through walking, alternating our walking steps between sessions of warm-ups, then walking at a normal pace, speeding up to a pace that's comfortable for you, then we'll cool down. For safety purposes, I must throw in this disclaimer. I am not your doctor, so please seek the advice of your doctor before taking this physical walk with me. I'm sure Jesus is okay with you taking this spiritual walk. If you're new to this channel and are joining via YouTube, it would really help spread the good news of Christ if you take this time to click the buttons like, subscribe, and notification so you can stay an active part of this amazing journey and others can find this Walk With Me channel. If you're tuning in via podcast, hit the favorite button for me. Thank you. As for today, we'll take a gentle stroll so that I can let you know what to expect during our journey together. To get started, the English Standard Version Bible says in 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verses 19 through 20, "Or do you not know that your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit within you, whom you have from God? You are not your own, for you were bought with a price, so glorify God in your body." My goal for this journey is that we'll strengthen our physical being as well as strengthen our spiritual being so that God can be fully glorified. You see, we're all on a journey, called to walk by faith and not by sight. And faith will call you into action. Spectacular one. Take action. God is so able to do the unimaginable for you. There are several ways you can continue this encouraging journey. 1. Click on the next video, episode number 2. And episode 2 will inform you on what prompted me to make this channel available via YouTube and my The Ball Journey podcast. Or you can start exercising today by spiritually and physically walking with me right away by clicking on the walking journey video. Start with Matthew chapter 1 as we walk physically through Sutlersville Park. My desire as we walk through a different biblical chapter every day is for us to walk through a different park or walking trail every day. Oh, the places we will go. Spectacular one. Have a ball. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. See you on our next journey.